how to create a Facebook page and laptop correctly. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you must have your Facebook account, and then you have to tap this three dots. Now, as you can see, there is this create option right here where you can create post, story. You just have to go directly to page. And this is what it looks like. On the left side, you can see this create a page. And whatever you put here, you will see the result on the right side. And then here you can add your Facebook page name. For example, let's create a Facebook page for Gadget World. So this is the name, and you will see if it's available because you will see this check icon right here. And then you can look for category, for example, gadget. If you can find, then you can see or find for any related keyword or related name for gadget. So let's just say I'm looking for electronic store. So you can tap this one. And then you can add a bio for this, but this one is optional. Everything is up to you. But let's just put or enter a bio right here, even if it's optional. So let's just say um this is the place or the best place where you can find gadgets, or let's just say everything is here, and you will see the result on the right side. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And after that, you can tap this create page. Now wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. It's saving the details that you have input here. Here on the next page, you will see this contact. You can add a website if you have your Shopify website or WordPress. You can add it right here. If you have your online store or online website, you just have to copy the URL and it paste it right here. And then here you can look for your country and then enter your phone number. Make sure that this is the correct phone number because this is where the customer, or this is the phone number the customer will reach you. You can add more information like your email. You can add your address here, and then your code, zip code. And then for hours, you can select the hour here. For example, let's just say your Facebook page or your business or your page is open different time. For example, every Monday it opens at 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. And then for noontime, it will close at a specific time. So you can just simply change or adjust the number of, the time here. You just have to tap this one and then change. After that, don't forget to tap the save icon to save everything here. Once you're done with the contact information and also the time or hour, and then you can simply tap this next icon right here or button right here. So here we are, we're going to add a profile. So all you have to do is to tap this one for your profile picture, import the picture from your device. And then for cover photo, you have to click this one and then import that picture or photo from your device. Don't worry, you can delete it anytime. You just have to tap this delete icon right here. You can also drag the picture to adjust. Okay. And then you can also have this mobile view to see the result if you're using mobile. But let's just stick with the laptop or PC view. Okay, call to action. If you want to customize your action button, you just have to click this try it. Then you have your options right here. For example, when someone visits your page, and then they will see the following here. If you want the action for send message or send WhatsApp message or call now, you can tap from any of the options right here. For me, it's just send message because I think this is the common. And then after that, click save, then wait as it is processing. So this is what it looks like. So you have added picture, cover photo, and then call to action. Okay, after that, and then what you're going to do is you just have to simply tap next after you have reviewed all the information here. Tap next and then wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now for the next page, what you're going to do here is you can add your WhatsApp account or connect to your WhatsApp page, but actually this one is optional. If you have your WhatsApp page, you just have to type the name there. You can invite friends, you can invite people so that it would be easier for them to know your page. They will be the one to initiate adding them. as much as possible. You can also toggle this one on, off to be notified with whatever alerts the Facebook page will give you or will inform you. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is your Facebook page. Okay, and then feel free to change everything here, edit everything here. Now, if you want to edit more, you can tap the settings feature or option right here, and then you see this reaction preferences, notifications, accessibility, and so on. If you want to change or add more information about your page, so you have to tap this page details right here. Under page details, you can simply add contact information and basic information. So you can add more information about your address, about your email, basic information about your page, okay, privacy, your work, okay, your education, places live, and then so on. Okay, so you can add more information about you, about your page, live events. So you just have to go to page details. If you want to go back, just tap this page settings right here. How people find and contact you as much as possible. You have to toggle this one on. Make your page public. Page setup. Okay, so if you want to view or if you want to change the URL of your page, you just have to go to page setup and then edit username here. If you want to customize your username or URL, page URL, all you have to do is to go to general page settings. Let's just say I want to customize my URL to Gadget World. Actually, if the username is not available, you will be notified on the right side. If it's available, then you will see this check icon and then tap save. Okay. Later on, you will see the result. Okay, so to confirm, you just have to type your password. And then after that, you just have to wait as it is saving the information and then done. Okay, so you can also go to posts or stories and then reels to adjust the settings of each feature right here. Okay, so let's see what it looks like if you change your URL, if you customize your URL. This is what it looks like. So all you have to do is to copy this. So you have your own Facebook URL. Okay, so basically, this is how easy it is to create a Facebook page. All you have to do is to have a Facebook account and then create the page. You must have your picture and photos as much as possible, contact number. You must have your website, your working email, so that it would be easier for you to fill out the information right here. And that's how easy it is to create a Facebook page in laptop correctly. So, if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.